The legendary Bitcoin wave trend has just had a reversal. Take a look. This wave trend right here just got above this red zone. This is major. We're going to compare it to when it's gotten above this red zone previously and what we expect to happen next. It's time to buckle up. Welcome. I'm Steve. Here we deliver honest, sponsorship-free TA with genuine value. Subscribe for a no BS approach that actually helps you. Subscribe. This is your last chance. Time is almost out. CryptoCrewUniversity.com. Why do you think people get into crypto? I was curious, so I ran tons of surveys and I was shocked with the results. Turns out, it's not about getting rich quick or Lambo or even becoming a millionaire. The high majority of people wanted financial freedom, more time to travel, and no more worries about money. So I looked through the whole crypto stratosphere and nobody was teaching about this. Everyone was teaching how to get rich quick and Lambo. This became my life's mission and my sole purpose on planet Earth. And for the past 3 years, me and my team have put our blood, sweat, and tears into building the best membership site that will actually impact your life in a positive way. And today, we're opening the doors to you. Sign up today and get an exclusive trade alert for the month of March and an exclusive live video with me, plus cash giveaways. This is your moment to have a fresh new path. Let's do it together. Be a part of my inner circle. Sign up now and achieve that dream you've always dreamed of, financial freedom. CryptoCrewUniversity.com. Again, that's CryptoCrewUniversity.com. Limited time only. Here we are, Bitcoin US dollar index. We're on the weekly chart. We have price action above with the 200-week moving average, and then down below is the wave trend. When you type in the wave trend, it's going to be this one from Lazy Bear. Now, what I want you to do is when you have this wave trend open, you're gonna pop in these inputs right here and the styles right here, and then it will look precisely like this. Once you have that set, you're gonna notice a few things about the wave trend. Number one, when you look at it, has these two components, right? It's got a green line and it's got dots. And at the top of the market, I put this yellow line at the 85 level. We'll talk about that in a moment. At the bottom of the market, you have this green zone. And what you'll notice is that historically at the bottoms of the market, we play with this green zone. So the wave trend can really be used of when to buy and when to sell and what part of the phase we're in. Case in point, bottom of the zone here at the green, this happened to be the bottom of the market. Bottom of the zone in green here, this happened to be the bottom of the market. Bottom of the zone in green here, this happened to be the bottom of the market. And what it also tells us is that when we're at the bottom of the market, generally speaking, historically speaking, we have the wave trend remain below this 21 level. So again, I have this on the chart. You can pick it up and move it. I put it here. So on your wave trend, it won't have this line at 21. On your wave trend, it won't have this line at 85. I want you to put this line at 85 and put this line at 21. The 21 level is structurally incredible. At the bottom of the market, we have 21 as the resistance. When we're in the bull run, we have 21 as support. Then we move into the next cycle. Bottom of the market, 21 as resistance. Bull run of the market, support at 21. So it's very, very simple, right? You go into the next and the next and the next. What we had in 2019, which we covered here on our channel, is we had a double dip. Meaning we went into phase one of the market. It was way too exuberant, incredibly unhealthy. So we had our absolute downfall. This turned into an A, B, C correction, the C being the double bottom, right? So we had that as a double dip, meaning during any bull run, the bull run had started here clearly, not up for debate. In any bull run, we've always remained on top of 21. This happened to be a double dip. In other words, the double dip is an incredible second chance buying opportunity. If you somehow missed the market cycle bottom, that means you more than likely didn't follow our channel because we predicted this fall from about 6K down to the 200-week moving average, right? If you follow our channel, this was the 3-day death cross back in 2018, okay? So if you missed the bottom of the market, no worries. We had a double dip, which gave you a second buying opportunity. The problem is everyone gets far too emotional on the way up, predicting higher numbers, and far too emotional on the way down, predicting significant lower. So it's hard to have that as a buying opportunity when the herd is screaming that we're gonna go way lower and we never do. Right? Luckily for us, we had a double dip in this cycle at the very end of phase 1, which we covered right here on our channel. Keep in mind, when we had the market cycle bottom, we were covering it step by step. I kept repeating, it's highly likely the bottom is in. It's not likely we go to 10K. Roll the clip. The charts that I studied and the charts that I've been studying for years and years and years are saying that the bottom is in, and your wake-up call is, even if the bottom is not in, is more risky to be out of Bitcoin right now than in Bitcoin, because there's a higher probability that the bottom is in. So if you're waiting for prices to dip below 10K, I don't think it's ever going to happen. So when we're in this situation, it's very hard to remain level-headed and actually buy. That's why I say I buy at the bottom of the market, and then I finish my buying in phase 1. We got really lucky in phase 1. I told you guys it would last at least 100 days. It lasted 200 days, and at the tail end of it, we had a double dip, which we covered right here on our channel. This was a surprise buying opportunity. If you missed the bottom and you missed all of phase 1, we had that double dip opportunity, which tons of people who follow my channel bought here. If you're new to my channel, you better subscribe. Subscribe right now, because we talk about the biggest moves in crypto. We don't talk about what Bitcoin is going to do tomorrow or the next day or next week. Irrelevant. I don't care. My strategy in these market cycles, which I guarantee you're going to do it in the next market cycle, is I focus on buying at the market cycle bottom, and I finish my buying in phase 1. That's what I beat you guys over the head with for the past couple hundred days. I'm done with my buying. I don't make another decision until near the market cycle top, where I will take some profits. Other than that, I'm not making decisions. It takes the same amount of time, energy, and effort to make $100 trades as it takes to make $1 million trades. Same amount of time, energy, and effort. Bona fide fact. So we had this double dip, right? And then we came back up and we got into this red zone for the first time in a few years. And we covered it here on our channel that the wave trend was in this zone. And I kept seeing a lot of comments, Steve, please cover the latest and greatest on the wave trend. Well, you're about to like what I'm about to say. So what happened with the wave trend, tilt your phone to the side and subscribe, is we had this little dip below here, and then we had this break back above. You can see the wave trend just broke back above. It actually broke above higher than it's ever been in our previous years, right? We've got to go all the way back to May of 2021 when the wave trend was this high. We literally haven't been this high since May of 21. Think about that for a moment. We're in 24, right? It's been a long time since the wave trend has been this high, right? So when we look at it and we understand, okay, when I draw this wave trend, I need to put this yellow line at 85. I need to put this white line at 81. I pay attention to the green zone. I buy there. I pay attention to this yellow zone here. Why? It's because we're looking at this sort of transition phase from phase 2 to 3 to understand what did it do before. Well, back in 2012, this is the bottom of the market. This is phase 1. This is phase 2. At the tail end of phase 2, what you saw is we started to dip below this wave trend, and then once we put our head back above, we moved into phase 3, right? So you can see that dip below and dip back above. This is the beginning of phase 3 when we put our head back above the wave trend. Fast forward 2015, this is the bottom of the market. This is phase 1. This is phase 2. What happened in phase 2? Well, we dipped below the wave trend, and when we dipped back above, that was the beginning of phase 3. Why is that important? Well, that's what we just did, right? That's what we just did. And what we did in these past 2 cycles before we dip below is we actually got our wave trend up to this yellow line. That's why our dip below wasn't as exuberant of a dip as you saw in these prior cycles, because right before that, we didn't have an exuberant of run up with the wave trend. We were more subdued in this run. This is further evidence that we could be entering the very, very beginning of phase 3, but we need further confirmation according to all of my past videos, right? We need confirmation on the monthly chart with a monthly price above that fib level holding support with the body of the candle on that fib, which we literally can't do until the end of next month. And then we need that confirmation of the RSI on the monthly that's above that zone, which we haven't done yet. And then we need further confirmation on our other charts, like the Ichimoku that we covered here on our channel. We need that further confirmation of the blue line crossing through the purple. So we're looking for this confirmation. We understand we could be in the very beginning stages of this phase 3, but we're going to remain level-headed. And if you're new to the channel, you hit that subscribe button. I will keep you level-headed during the bull run. We're not going to talk about all of these shiny objects. And one thing I want you to keep in mind, in these bull runs, there are thousands and thousands and thousands of ways to make money. You cannot try to be good at all of these thousands of ways. You'll be terrible at all of them. Pick one way to make money, one way. Like, I'm going to make money using Bitcoin. That's one way. I'm going to make money using this one altcoin. That's another way. You don't want to have multiple ways. I'm going to trade this altcoin, and then I'm going to go here, and I'm going to try to buy this. And oh my God, this person said they're making money with this. I'm going to go into here. Oh my God, this is pumping. I'm going to go into here. You're going to be terrible at everything with that strategy. Take a deep breath. This is a bull run. Opportunities are going to come back. Those opportunities that you felt like you missed, they will come again and again and again in your life. They will not stop. They will happen way more times. Your brain is going to tell you, oh my God, I missed this special opportunity that's never going to come again. Why did I do that? I knew I had this feeling I should have done that. Take a deep breath. Remain level-headed. Everything's going to be just fine. This is a bull run, and every bull run is going to have multiple times where we correct 20 or 30%, and you'll have other opportunities. There's going to be plenty of opportunities. And then the next market cycle, you should adopt what I beat you over the head with for 300 days. You should be buying at the market cycle bottom and finish your buying in phase 1 and then sit and wait. Again, it takes the same amount of time, energy, and effort to make $100 trades as it takes to make $1 million trades. Focus on the facts, take a breath. Everything is just fine. Hit that subscribe button. I'll see you back here in the next video. This bull run is our road to 500,000 subscribers, but I need your help. Today, tell one person about our YouTube channel, how we spit facts, go against the herd, take no paid sponsorships of any kind. Road to 500,000, let's go.